Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will study the fourth letter of Arabic alphabet, Thaa, and the sound is. It's very difficult to hear, but it's when we connect them with other letters, it's gonna be okay. Okay. So what are the Makharij? Or the Makharij is the tip of the tongue from the top side of the tip and the bottom edges of the two top incisors. So let me explain that to you. Okay. The tip of the tongue from the top side. So that's the tip of the tongue, as we explained in the previous. That's the tip of the tongue, but we take the top side of the tip of the tongue, and it says the bottom edges of the two top incisors. So we have two incisors here, and they are going to be connected, touching the tip of the tongue from the top side. Okay, so they will be connecting like this. Okay, so you can see here. So that's the tip of the tongue from the top side, and this is the connecting point of the top two incisors. Okay, so I will explain that in next slide with the 3D model, so that will make it easy for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, go there. Okay, so if we see here, okay, that's our tongue. And let me make this as well. So this is our mouth, and see, this is okay. These are the top two incisors. Okay, so if you see here, this is the tip of the tongue, and we're going to using the top side of the tip of the tongue, and that is going to be connecting, touching these two, the two incisors, the tip of the two incisors. So that's Thaa. That's what makes the sound Thaa. Thaa. Okay, I hope this will make it easy for you. Okay, let's see. Again, let's see from the different angle, and this different angle as well. Okay, so that's the tip of the tongue, and we're going to be using the top part, top part of the tip of the tongue, and we're going to be the tongue is going to be touching the top side of the top two incisors. Okay. So back to slides. Okay, so is it a light or heavy letter? It is a light letter. So whenever we are going to pronounce it, with pronunciation, our lips and the mouth should remain flat. Thaa. So with heavy letters, it won't be like this, but with light letters, our mouth remain flat. Thaa. And most of the letters are light. Okay, Thaa. Next one is, okay, is it a connector or non-connector? It is a connector. Why? Because if you see its connecting form, it can be connected with other letters when it comes in the beginning. Similarly, if it comes in the middle, so then you can connect other letters with it before or after it. Okay, so you can connect other letters here. That's correct. You can connect here before or after, and you can connect before when it comes at the end. Okay, and it looks like this when it is not connected with any letters at all. How it is written, it's exactly same as we wrote Thaa and Ba, except the dots are 3 in this case. We still go through and just read it out. So it is written with a single stroke. Okay, written with a single stroke, It begins from the right with a slightly curved, okay, it begins with the right. So as we know, we have to write from right to left in Arabic. So it begins from right with slightly curved, okay, downward horizontal stroke followed by a vertical. So that's horizontal stroke and then followed by a vertical curve, slightly curved, okay, ending with an upward slightly curved horizontal stroke. So this stroke gives it a shape like canoe-like shape, okay. It has 3 dots above it, okay, and it rests on the line similar to ba and ta. Okay, if it's written separate, unconnected with any other letter, so we write like, okay, sorry, red color, let's see, 1, 2, 3. If it's written in the beginning, okay, 1, 2, 3. If it's written in the middle, 1, 2, 3. If it's written at the end, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can connect them from here. Connect this bit. Okay, and if you write it like this, okay, because it is a connector, so you can see they can keep it can be connected from before or after. Okay, English language equivalent. It is like th in the word thin, 3, or bath. So that's the equivalent of English sounds for tha in Arabic. And that for transliteration purposes, we will be using th. Okay. That's the end of this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.